Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that has to do with rate, kind of dealing with ratios, possibly unit rates, and then create an equation to represent all of that. So this is coming from CPM, course 3. This is 10.1.3 is the section. Uh, 10-60. So it says Charisse can fill lemonade cups at a rate of 4 cups per minute. Okay. And then it says, so there's 3 parts. One part is how many cups can she fill in 6 minutes? Well, if I know, I see this rate, right? I can write this rate as a fraction. And in case we're looking at it, it's 4 cups for every 1 minute. In fact, this is not just a rate, this is the unit rate. So having the unit rate, now I've got an ability to just use this as a scalar, as a multiplier. Because how many cups will she fill in 6 minutes? If I want to figure, if I know it's 4 cups in 1 minute, I would take this 4 cups over 1 minute. That's my rate, and I'd multiply it by 6/6. Because then I can see that giant one. It's like a fraction. When I have a ratio or a fraction, I can use this giant one. So I get 24 cups in 6 minutes. So that's my rate now. So it wants to know how many cups in 6 minutes. There we go, 24 cups in 6 minutes. How many cups can she fill in 10 minutes? So once again, if it's 4 cups in 1 minute, if I multiply by 10 over 10, the giant one of 10 over 10, I get 40 cups in 10 minutes. So there's the answer there. So it says if Charisse fills C cups in T minutes, so it's C cups in T minutes, right? Write an equation that relates C to T. So, oh, so based on my information. So what is my information? It's 4 cups in 1 minute, right? So it's if C is cups and T is minutes, that's what I'm looking for. C is cups and T is minutes. I want a equation to relate that. So she can do 4 cups per minute. So if I know the minutes, then I can just multiply. Notice every time I multiplied by the minutes. So my equation would be that the cups is based on multiplying the time by 6 for this problem, right? So every time I multiplied, oh, no, wait, not by 6, I'm sorry, by 4, because that's my rate. I got 6, I got confused there. Let me erase that real quick, sorry. By 4, I saw the 6 up front and immediately just went to a 6, but it's not 6, it's 4. Oops, it's not going to erase. Try this one. Sorry, let's try that again. So by 4, I'm going to multiply by 4. Let me show you how this works. So if I go back to this situation, if cups, right, the number of cups is determined by taking the number of minutes and multiplying by 4 each time. In this case, it's 6 minutes, and it's 4 cups per minute. So 6 times 4 gives me that 24 cups. In this case, 10 minutes, right? So if I put 10 in this equation, 10 minutes, 4 times 10 is 40. That's why it was 40 cups. So this is my equation that relates cups and time based on my unit rate that I was given. All right, there we go.